Alice was 3, and we were on holiday in Canada at a cabin that belonged to my uncle and aunt. We were on the shore of Lake Huron. That's a really beautiful area. And there's a jetty that leads out over the water. So 3-year-old Alice starts walking out along the jetty. So ever the diligent father, I follow. She doesn't know I'm there. She's just walking out. And she gets to the end of the jetty, outstretches her hands. I'll just do one hand. And starts to sing. And I apologize for my voice. I love you, sea. I love you, sky. I love you, world. So at a really rather early age, I knew that she was a little bit theatrical. Some might even say a drama queen.
We've both grown up with Luke to varying degrees since our time at middle school when we were 9. Realised it might be handy to know him because his dad was deputy head. Probably fair to say he wasn't the likeable, gregarious character that he is today.
I am a very, very lucky man. I can't believe we're finally here after 2 years of hard work, like exclusively from Al. I'm pretty confident everyone here knows how head over heels I am about this girl. Thank you for taking a chance on me.
It is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the beautiful surroundings of Le Chateau de la Mothe for the wedding service of 2 of my favourite people, the beautiful Alice and Luke. When you joined Luke's life, you embraced not just him, but also his wonderful boys, Oscar and Felix. The way you have bonded with them, loved them, and created a warm and nurturing environment is nothing short of remarkable. Your home is a place where laughter is abundant and love is unconditional.
Now this is a story all about how our dad's life flipped turned upside down, and we're glad to take a minute, just sit right there and tell you how we found love beyond compare.
They do say that the best things come to those who wait, and my goodness was it. Because not only did I meet somebody who was caring, handsome, reasonably funny, and extremely kind, but I also got to meet 2 wonderful Luke lookalikes in Oscar and Felix, my boys.
Al, never did I think I would be as lucky as I feel today. I could not be happier or more in love, and that is down to you and how you make me feel. Thank you for picking me up when I'm down, putting up with my diva-like mood swings, and being my biggest cheerleader. I appreciate I usually do that bit for myself.
Therefore gives me the greatest of pleasures to now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
You have, personally, I think we can all agree, you've completely changed Luke's life, and he's the Luke that we all remember growing up, like, for better or worse sometimes, and like in your case, you've literally agreed to that, so tough. You do take it all in your stride. Luke is the same as he is with his mates, as he is with you, and that's incredible, so genuinely, thank you.
Never did I think I'd be lucky enough to have someone like you. Intelligent, successful, the funniest person I know. damn sexy. And most importantly for me, clearly desperate.
What did I think when I first saw Luke? He was the kindest man I've ever met, and I'm going to get all emotional, reminded me just of my dad, which is always a good thing, and I just felt really comfortable and wanted to spend all my time with him, so it just felt right from the off, and now I'm crying.
The thing I thought when I first saw Alice was, wow, she's hot, and probably a bit out of my league. But like we got on like a house on fire, and once we sort of got together, we haven't really spent much time apart. So.